Hi, this is Lara at Elliott Wave Gold with your end of the week analysis for the trading week ending Friday the 6th of September. My last analysis expected a bit more downwards movement. My short-term target was 1357 and I expected price to move down to about that point and then move strongly upwards. Price did move lower, it fell 2.25 short of the target and then it turned around and moved upwards. So it did pretty much exactly as expected. This is the main wave count still, and I have an alternate which looks at this little piece of movement differently. This main wave count agrees with momentum, so I'm expecting that we're probably still yet to see the middle of this third wave. So within minor wave 3 of this new upwards trend, we have minute 1 and 2. Within minute 3, minuet 1 and 2. And within minuet 3, subminuet 1 and now a very deep subminuet second wave, which is out of proportion to minuet waves 2 and minute wave 2, giving this wave count a slightly odd look, which is why I'm considering the alternate. This is my main wave count though because it agrees better with momentum. If we see price move above 1532.9, I will have this trend change down here at cycle degree confirmed. At that stage I will have confidence that we are in a new upwards trend, probably to last at least a year. Let's have a look at the structure of subminuet wave 2 and what happened on Friday on the hourly chart, where the low down here is this point down here. So here's the start of it. We have a 5-3-5 zigzag structure where A and C are close to equality. Within wave C now there is ratios between 1, 3 and 5. Submicro wave 3 is 3.32 longer than equality with submicro wave 1. And submicrowave 5 is 1.43 longer than 0.382 the length of submicrowave 3. Draw a parallel channel around this downward zigzag from the start of the A wave to the end of the B wave. Place a parallel copy on the end of the A wave. When we have at least a couple of full hourly candlesticks above this channel and not touching the upper trend line, we may have more confidence in the targets. At that stage we shall have trend channel confirmation of a trend change down here. Although it's extremely unlikely that subminuet wave 2 is going to continue even further, there's very, very little room for movement to the downside here above the invalidation point now, and it's already much longer in duration than those second waves 1 and 2 degrees higher, so it's very likely it's over here. At 1491, subminuet wave 3 would reach 1.618, the length of subminuet wave 1. So this wave count is now expecting some pretty strong upwards momentum for next week. Alternatively, at the daily chart level, it's all identical to this point here, and then instead of another 1212, it is possible that in the middle of the third wave is over. It has a bit of a three-wave look on the daily chart, and it's not really on the hourly and 2 and 3 hourly charts, it's not really showing a strong increase in upwards momentum beyond that seen for minor wave 1. So for those reasons, I'm expecting that this has a lower probability. I'll only use it seriously if I see the main wave count invalidated with downwards movement. At that stage, the invalidation point would move a little lower to 1344.26. Minute wave 4 may not move into minute wave 1 price territory. If this wave count is correct, we should be seeing quite a strong increase in upwards momentum next week. That's all for me today with your gold analysis, and I hope everybody is having a most fabulous weekend.